Hello, Basil from Profit Optimizer. Welcome to Tips for Using Ostendo More Productively. Welcome to Ostendo tip number 3. Ostendo has this feature of allowing different templates to be used when you're printing or emailing, and for that to happen automatically. So first thing that would need to happen, you'll need to create the different types of templates. So if you go to File, Report Configuration, Report View Developer, you could create a different type of invoice. There's a retail invoice where you've got the normal invoice. You can create a different type of quote, or a different type of purchase order, or a different type of job card or assembly order. So there's lots of different templates. You don't have to always be restricted to one template. And you can have all this happening automatically once you're using this particular feature. So I'll take you through how to set this up, and then you'll see how it works. We click on File, we go to Reporting Configuration, and we move down to specific form layouts. The first example we're going to use here is that we've got a different type of invoice format, and we want that to apply to a certain type of customer. So if we click Add, we now have to pick the form that we're talking about. In this case, it's an invoice. The filter or the condition we're talking about is, for example, customer type. So we'll select that one. And in this case, we're saying if we've got anybody that's a retail type customer, we want them to see when we email or when we decide to print, them to see the retail invoice, the new one that we've created. We apply that to when we're printing, and we also apply it to when we're emailing. And so what happens now is that type of invoice, that second one, will be sent out to retail invoice customers only. Anybody else will default back to the normal one. I'll give you another example, and this one will look at job quotes. So we find job quotes. This has got an extra filter, so this time we're going to use a particular job type to drive the using of the different type of job quote. And in this one we'll say if we're going to invoice any progressive type invoicing type customer, we're going to use this particular template that we've set up. We're not going to use the normal one. We're calling it a commercial quote template. It'll be different to the other one. And then we hit save. And so now when we go to print, and whenever we go to invoice, if it's that type of customer or that type of job type, it'll automatically default to what we've set up. I hope you found this useful, and we'll touch base soon when we have the next tip.